Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be doing an unboxing video. Again, I'm pretty excited about this. This is the third unboxing in a row because I upload one of these every Tuesday, and this is also the last Tuesday before I head out to America, so I'm very excited. Of course I'm not recording it on the last Tuesday. I'm actually recording this like when I'm recording this is like 3 weeks to go, but as you're seeing this there's like less than a week to go, so I'm super excited. And this model, let's get on to the unboxing now. Stop blabbering on about things no one cares about. I'm kidding. You know, trip reports and all that coming soon. But yeah, anyway, we've got another NG models. I was very impressed with the FedEx and DHL 757 I got last time, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna head out and buy a passenger NG models aircraft, and it is a retro one as well. So I'll give you a little bit of a hint. I'm actually this isn't a hint, this is I'm straight up telling you right here, but I'm actually working to collect enough planes to do a retro version of Washington Reagan. Now I would do Dulles or Baltimore, but it's just they're so big that it would cost so much. Reagan is my smallest airport, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to start collecting some retro planes to add onto there. And also this model in particular, it will also serve as another plane that I'll get onto later. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna unbox this now. So alright, so third NG models model, here we go. You know, getting it out, we got all this wrapping in it, this stuff in here no one really cares about, and there it is. Oh man, let's turn this upside down. It's not even coming out. It's stuck in there, man. There we go, that was a little bit easier. Right, and it's covered in bubble wrap. Of course, protection is always needed, but I guess you could see it through there. This is the American Airlines 757-200 in the chrome livery, of course. Now there's a few reasons I'm getting this. One I've already said, which is the retro version of DCA airports. The second one is this is actually going to be used on my September 11th update of Washington Dulles International Airport, because it was this plane that left Dulles, the American 752, that left Dulles to eventually go and crash into the Pentagon, of course, on 9/11. So yeah, that's one of the reasons. And the third reason, probably the most valid, is I've always wanted a 752 in the American chrome livery. Like, I love the 752, I love the American chrome livery. Combine them and this is what you get. Alright, oh my goodness, look at that livery on the box. Wow, that's the thing about NG Models. I think NG Models are my favourite company at the moment, just because they put so much effort into each and every model. Like Gemini Jet's plain blue box. I mean, Phoenix have a good box design as well, but NG Models just seem to have an original piece of art on every single box. I'm sure you've heard me say that before, so I'm gonna just go ahead and unbox the plane. Very tightly packed as usual, and oh my goodness, I just love NG Models so much. Look at that shine, man. That's just so good. Oh, I love this livery so much. I think I've got some sort of obsession with this livery, honestly. This is my favourite livery of all time. And that's my current fleet of chromes at the moment, you know. Got them stacking up here. I've actually ordered the Gemini Jet 737-800 in the chrome livery as well. I think I'll stop there because at the moment I'm kind of going a bit overboard, considering this livery isn't even valid anymore in real time. So yeah, I gotta stop after the 738. I've gotta just chill out. But moving on to the 752, of course we get that superior quality of NG Models, plus the superior quality of the livery itself. We're going to start off at the start here. Let's see how far. This is like a game show. Every time I do an unboxing, let's see how far we can zoom in before it goes out of focus. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Actually, that was probably good enough about here. Yep, that's in focus. Alright, look at that, man. Oh, I love that. I've actually got a picture of the 752. Let me hang on, let me just show you. Look at this. This is like one of my favorite aviation photos of all time. This is at Reagan. You got the American 752, and that is in front of, as you can see, the Washington Memorial. We got the Jefferson Memorial. I don't think you can see anything else, but yeah, look at that, man. The luxury jet. Does it actually say luxury jet on there? Because I know, of course, after a while they kind of get rid of the names, if you know what I mean. This must have been, no, they don't. So this must have been when the 757 was fairly new. But anyway, I'm going to get onto the model now. So yeah, as you can see, we have the cockpit window there. Then we have the kind of like dull grey on the nose there. Moving back, then we have the forward landing gear, the American titles, the red, white and blue over the wings, and then this beautiful chrome that I really got to stop touching to get fingerprints on there. Then we have the wings, superior quality as well, right amount of angle in the wings as well, because that is as a thing Gemini Jet suffers with and NG models doesn't. Then on the wing tips here, as you can see, we have the, I think that says AA.com on the wings there. Then we have the back door there, and then we have the registration, which is November, there might be a 1 or an I or an L or something, 8-9 Alpha November. And then on the back we have the American tail there. It's just take a moment to take that in. That's I love this livery so much. The new livery is good. It's good compared to other airlines, but compared to this livery, in my opinion, this is just my favourite livery. But yeah, and so yeah, that has kind of been the quick unboxing of the American 757-200 by NG models. I'd love to get the Delta 752 in the old livery, and there's just so many. Well, with NG models, they just destroy any other company with their 757s. They've got so many liveries. They've got Air Greenland. They've got the Honeywell 757. I'd love to get that. They've got all of the retros from British Airways to all of the American airlines. We've got Continental, United Tulip livery, American Chrome. We've got the Delta old livery, and we're talking the old livery, the one that actually does look good. Then we have Northwest, TWA. We just have all of those. We have US Air as well. That's another one. Eastern. Just all of the American airlines that had the 752. The only one we're missing that I'm aware of is US Airways, and of course the new liveries for American Airlines, Delta and United. But I don't think new liveries are kind of the thing that they're going for. They're just going for the liveries that look amazing, and this is one of them. This is definitely one of them. So yeah, thanks for watching, and without further ado, I guess I will see you in the next video, which is probably going to be an airport update, but it might be a trip report after that. I'm still not sure. I don't know. I'm still not sure about the schedule I'm going to get over the summer. But yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like, and yeah, bye.